Okay students, so our circle chapter is over, right? So now we will start a new chapter, that is construction, which is very simple chapter, and most of the thing I have already explained in your class 8 last year only. Okay, so those we will try to recall back. Okay, in your class 9 book also it is given this construction, basic constructions. Okay, so let's try to recall all those which we have done in this, all we have done in class 8. Okay, and here whatever construction we are going to do, maximum we have done in class 8. Okay, so your second exercise in this chapter is very important, so mostly you have to concentrate on that. Okay, first exercise you can easily do it, I know that. So first construction is to construct bisector of given angle. Means when you have any angle given to you, how to bisect that angle. I hope you remember that one, right? Next is, I will still show you that one. Okay, so next is to construct perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. So if you have a line segment, how to bisect means how to cut that line from the middle, how to make perpendicular bisector, a line which will be perpendicular to that given line segment, and it will be perpendicular as well as it will bisect, means it will cut from the midpoint. Okay, it will pass from the midpoint. So that also we have learned in class 8. So to construct angle 60 degrees, so without using protector, how to draw 60 degree we have to learn, and then construct angle 90 degree without using protector, only compass and ruler you can use it. Okay, so to construct angle 120 degrees. So, and one more thing, in exam you are not allowed to use protector, you have to draw all the construction, whatever construction is given to you, you have to use only ruler and compass. Okay, so to construct angle 120 degrees, so this three angle, if you know, you can draw any angle out of this. Okay, so we have drawn many angles in class 8 only, right? So I hope this will be easy for you now. So first let's draw to construct bisector of given angle. So for to bisect any angle, first thing, given angle we have to draw it, right? So first let me draw a angle, any angle I will draw, say 60 degree. Okay, suppose this is 60 degree, suppose, or any angle it is, this is given to you. Okay, now how to bisect means how to, suppose this is 60 degree, then how to cut this one into 30, how to bisect this one. So to bisect this, what was the step? Put your compass in the you have to draw any arc here with compass only. Okay, I have drawn freehandly like this, you have to draw with compass first. Okay, then you put your needle here at this point, right? And then you just take more than half, more than this radius you have to take, any radius, you can take bigger also, no problem. You draw one arc here, you know the bisector will pass from here, right? So arc also you have to draw here only. Okay, don't make it too big, you already have the idea, right, from where the bisector will pass. So arc you make the idea and draw like this. Okay, so I know the bisector will pass from here. Okay, so I have made, first I put my needle here on this end of the radius or arc, and then draw arc here. Then what you have to do is, without changing your radius of your compass, you put your needle on the other end of the arc. Okay, like this, I hope you can see on this point. Then you draw arc here, so wherever it intersect, from there the bisector will pass. Okay, so bisector obviously will draw from this point to this point, so you have to see carefully the point. Okay, make it properly and then draw it. So this will be your bisector, means you will see that this angle and this angle will be equal. So we have drawn many times this kind of construction we have already done in class 8. Okay, so this is your first construction. Okay, next is your to construct perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. So how to draw perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector means of a line segment means you have any line segment, suppose say 6 centimeter line or 10 centimeter, whatever kind of line you have, whatever length. Let me draw 10 centimeter line. Okay, this is 10 centimeter line. Suppose I have a line segment which is of length 10 centimeters. So if I have to bisect, obviously it will pass from the midpoint of this one will be at 5 centimeter, right? So you will see, without using ruler or anything else, without using only compass, I can easily draw a line which will pass from this midpoint and that line which I will draw, it will be perpendicular. That's why it is called perpendicular bisector. Okay, so how to draw the step was, take your compass, make its radius more than the half of the line. Okay, so half, you know, it will be somewhere here, so make it a little bigger than that. Draw arc here. You know the bisector of this one will pass from here somewhere, right? So according to that you make the idea and draw arc upside and outside also. Okay, so somewhere here, right? So I will make the arc here. So some student, what they used to do, they used to draw from here until here, they used to make, no use. Okay, so try to make idea where the bisector will pass. Somewhere from here, so make it here, and then somewhere from here, so make it here. Okay, next from here, without changing your radius, put at other end and then intersect this arc. Wherever it intersect, the bisector will pass from there. Okay, so where is the ruler? So if I join these two intersection point, okay, see, can you see how I'm drawing the line? First you always put your pencil on the intersection point and make sure that it will pass from there only. Okay, so construction you have to do carefully. So what student used to do is, they simply, without putting pencil, they used to put scale and then directly draw the line. So what happened at that point, sometimes your line passes from this, instead of this intersection point, it used to pass from somewhere here or somewhere here. Okay, because you cannot make idea, right, what is the thickness of your pencil lead. So better always put your pencil like this and make sure that it will be on this point. Then here also make sure it will be on this point, then move your scale and then draw the line. Okay, so you can see it passes from the intersection. So you will see this will be the midpoint and this will be perpendicular. You can verify. To verify, you can use protractor and then check. This will be 90 degree and you will see that this will be the midpoint. So this was the step to draw perpendicular bisector, which you have already done. Okay, I'm just trying to give you idea how to draw again. Okay, so that you can remember. So for bisector, what you have to do is, any line segment if you have to bisect, just make your radius more than half of that line segment, draw arc upside and downside both from both end. Okay, wherever the arc intersect, join that intersection point, that will be your resulting bisector. Okay, so you try to learn this. This is what going to help us in exercise 11.2. 11.1 is very basic, you can easily do it. There you have to draw mostly angles, and angles drawing we have already learned in class 8. Okay.